The accounting standards on intangible assets talks in terms of how to do the accounting of intangibles. So when you give an example of Novartis, which all the, or for that matter all the pharma companies, all the automobile companies, they spend a lot of money continuously on research and development. So please remember what can happen when a company is spending the money on the research and development. There are two possible scenarios. What the two possible scenarios are? The two possible scenarios are: number one, the money which is being spent on the development of a new product or new formula or new, that research is successful. सो नोवार्टिस ने एक नया फॉर्मुलेशन को डेवलप करने के 10 करोड़ का खर्चा किया. So and now this formulation is final. It is going to be monetized. So the research and development is successful, and as a result of that, Novartis would be able to monetize this development in future. Now, for this expenditure of 10 crore for Novartis, please remember, it becomes an asset. And why it becomes an asset? Because using this formula, Novartis would be able to sell their product and make profit. And that is why this 10 crore expenditure will come in the balance sheet of Novartis as an intangible asset. Now, so what Novartis will do? The management of the Novartis, the R&D team of the Novartis, the marketing and the finance and all stakeholders within the Novartis, they will discuss and they will find out as to this 10 crore that we have spent on developing this new formulation, for how long we would be able to monetize this formulation. And they come to a conclusion based on the research and technical discussion and everything, that we would be able to monetize it for next 5 years, and after next 5 years this formulation will have no value. So what they will do, they will write it off. 10 crore is the cost, 5 years is the period, so they will amortize 2 crore every year, and that is how in next 5 years this 10 crore will be fully written off. And this process is known as amortization. So this process is known as amortization. That's number one. I hope that answers your question partly.